Hey guys, I'm doing a deep detailing interior on my Civic. I got dollar teeth brush for vents, trim pieces, and some spots on the carpet. I use chemical guys VRP protectant that restores a deep black look, enhances shine, and protects vinyl, rubber, and plastic surfaces against harmful UV solar rays. I'll finish it off camera so you don't get bored with me. I'm unbolting the seat, but it's tight as fuck, so I need my other hand to do it. Finally decided unbolt it. Oh wow, I didn't realize some stains under the seat. Good call, I doing that. It's time to vacuum out. I bought carpet cleaner and few years ago finally I opening the box. It was on sale for $99 from Canadian Tire, so I bought it for my other vehicle, but I didn't have time to use it because vehicle was breaking down too often. Jesus Christ, it's very dirty and disgusting. I use Chemical Guide's Matte Renew Rubber Plus Vinyl Floor Mat Cleaner and Protectant is the first product designed specifically to quickly clean and restore rubber floor mats back to original condition without the greasy and slippery feel and look. I'm making sure my amplifier looks neat and tidy by adding wiring covers. It's a simple process that can make a big difference in the overall look of the system. The wiring covers will help keep the cables in place and keep the system looking sleek. It's a great way to make sure your amplifier looks great for years to come. Additionally, the wiring covers will also help protect the cables from damage and wear and tear. Just look at that beautiful